Do you think your family-friendly brand is hindering your personal growth? Dang, girl. Wow. My brain is like, wow. I feel like I should have like thought about this question beforehand. What's up, DIY babes? I am on a ski lift. Oh my gosh, so we just finished the Vlogmas Big Bear trip and we were the only ones who ended up going snowboarding. But it's so nice today. Literally yesterday was the crappiest day and we stayed inside the cabin the entire day.
We got so lucky.
But we got so lucky. Like today is gorgeous. As you can see, like, I don't know if you can see the view behind me. I have the goggles on and it's like the sun is blaring in our face right now. But it's like 40 degrees, a balmy 40, and we out here snowboarding. I tweaked my back yesterday doing, honestly, I think it was making the gingerbread house and I threw my back out. This is what 26 feels like. Just 80-year-old thing. I like threw my lower back out yesterday, so I'm like honestly struggling a little bit, and Tiff and I are getting foot cramps. Honestly, we're just like
cut my toenails.
Toenails are too long. But yeah, today is just a snowboarding day. We're gonna head home, and then tomorrow I'm hosting a white elephant at my house, which is like the gift stealing game, and I'm so excited. Low key, guys, I got a cozy, like the blanket sweater thing as my white elephant gift. Super excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me show you. Wait, are we at the good view part? Oh my god, yeah, we are. It's so pretty. Ugh. It's like so psycho that this is only an hour and a half from LA. It's literally so wild. Literally, like, what the heck? How is this so close to LA and beaches and stuff? Like, you can surf, skate, and snowboard all on the same day. Not that I would ever do any of those except for snowboard, but you could. When I said a balmy 40 degrees, this is what I meant. It's like your butt gets so cold and wet from sitting in the snow, but then it's like so hot because of the sun. Still sweating. These pictures are so cute though. Yes. Also, I would just like to clear something up for the other Canadians who have been making statements like Canadians don't get cold. And I just want to tell you how untrue that is. Girl, I moved to LA so I didn't have to be cold anymore. Canadians do get cold. We get very cold because it is so cold. But like, this is my kind of snow. 40-degree snow, not like that blistery negative bajillion snow. That snow's not cute. Okay, hello. I'm going to try vlogging and snowboarding. Wish me luck. Ah! DIY babes, it is now Tuesday. Last time I vlogged was snowboarding, so I am back in full commission. Went to the chiropractor, got myself fixed up. Currently have my Christmas PJs on. Actually, these are the Vlogmas trip PJs from last year that we took a group photo in. Mia is currently here and we are doing a video for not this coming Sunday, but the Sunday after. We are festive. Oh, wait, no, you can show them paper. We're just not showing them what we're wrapping. Today we're wrapping some pretty crazy stuff for this video. It's gonna be a DIY challenge and I'm super excited. Here's one of the things that didn't get chosen to be wrapped is this 6-foot plant. So there's a little idea of how intense these things are for this challenge. Anyways, just want to check in with you guys and let you know what's happening. I'm gonna be vlogging more today. I asked you guys on Twitter last night to ask me some questions that you think that I've been avoiding because there are definitely a few. So I've got some of those screenshotted and saved for later on today. Moose, moose, moose. Hello, Bubba Bear. Hello. Hello. He's like, Mom, stop embarrassing me, Mom. Oh, guys. Okay, so Jeremy has been sick and I Cloroxed every single touchable surface today and the house got entirely cleaned. I washed all the blankets, I washed all the sheets and the bedding and the towels, and I have a feeling that I didn't catch it in time. I have a little tingle in my throat and I am not happy about it because the streamies is this week. Moose, don't eat that bug. Please don't eat that bug. He ate it. Oh, he spit it back out. Thank you. Don't eat that. The streamies is this week. I have some important meetings this week. Like, there's just a lot going on. I filmed yesterday and today, so thankfully the next 2 Sun DIYs are finished because I'm gonna be traveling home for the holidays soon, so I have to get ahead in my filming schedule so you guys can still have Sun DIY content while I am celebrating the holidays with my family. So yeah, I got a lot to do and don't really have time to be sick, so yeah, say a prayer for my throat currently and my health. Anyways, on a more positive note, I'm in good enough health to finish this video. Also, I've been into really long vlogs lately, so let me know like how long of a vlog you guys typically like to watch. I like vlogs that are like 20-ish minutes, so let me know what your like preferable vlog length is. So let's just dive right into some questions that I have been avoiding. Low-key, I know you guys love this video and it stresses me out, and that's probably why you guys love it, because you know that you stress me out, so thank you for that. Okay, so the first question is, what is it like living in Los Angeles? I feel like I get a ton of questions about LA versus Toronto, but this one specifically being about LA. I personally love LA. I think the weather here is incredible, and I love being surrounded by people who are kind of doing the same thing as I am. I felt really, really lonely when I was in Toronto. I feel like all my friends had, you know, the regular 9-to-5 lifestyle, and I could go days without interacting with a friend or anyone really, to be honest, when I was living by myself. So I feel like my general mental health and well-being has improved so much since being here. I feel like it definitely takes a little bit of time to find your real friends. I say real friends as in like you definitely have to learn who your like event friends are and people that like you're friendly with and are cool with, but you know, you don't go to them for emotional support or lean on them. Whereas like someone like Mia literally held my hair back and my hoodie strings back when I had food poisoning last year. So you find your ride or dies from the first few years of moving here. Also, Moose is having a freak out in that chair over there if you're wondering what all the ruckus is. So yeah, weather, bomb. Industry, bomb. My friend's a boyfriend, bomb. Wish my family was here, but yeah. Ooh, okay, as I'm sitting in this room, do you feel like your Mr. Kate office was a mistake? I mean, obviously no. She did such an amazing job with the direction that we had given her. I feel like I made a mistake personally asking for an office with a desk, because you guys saw me redo this room 1,400 times because I just couldn't come to terms with the fact that I don't work at a desk. As you can see, this like empty workspace over here with nothing over there. So I don't regret at all the outcome, because Mr. Kate and Joey did such an incredible job with the direction and the inspiration that we had given them that they literally translated exactly what we asked for into real life. I just regret the overall direction that I gave, I think. You know, not being honest with myself that I don't work at a desk. I feel like I'm probably missing the point of what this person wanted me to answer in the sense of like having a split office with an ex-boyfriend. But I mean, at the end of the day, even if we had stayed together, I feel like we probably would have ended up redoing the room to begin with after realizing that neither of us are really desk workers. But happy with an office. I love being able to make videos and collaborate with Mr. K, and I feel like that's the main thing, is that the experience was A+. Okay, so this was like every question ever. We gonna keep it short. Are you and Alex friends again? We chillin'. Is Asian Girl Squad still a thing? I feel like the day that we jokingly put a name on our like friend group was the day that everything like became more difficult and more drama. Not even within our friend group, just like everyone's like, why isn't this person in Asian Girl Squad? Or do you have to be Asian to be an Asian Girl Squad? Like the day we literally put a joking title on it, everything became so much more complicated. But yes, like the answer to the question if Tiff, Mia, Remy, and I are all still friends, we are, absolutely. We still have like our group chat, and it's still called Asian Girl Squad from like 4 years ago. Everything is chillin'. There is no tea, there is no shade. We just like don't take as many photos, I feel like, as we used to. I feel like when we hang out now, it's actually more about like catching up and chatting and talking about real things and less about taking Instagram photos. I feel like 3-4 years ago when we first started hanging out, we hung out so much and we loved doing like friend photo shoots because like we were literally hanging out every single day. But I just feel like now at this point, it's like we have so many photos together, we don't feel the need to like take updated ones because we know that we're all still friends. So hopefully that answers the question. But yeah, I just want you guys to know how not serious the title Asian Girl Squad is, and we're all still friends. Would you ever do a boyfriend tag with Jeremy? I feel like I've been really straightforward with you guys since like day one of being single and day one of like even starting to like get back out into like the dating game again. I have no plans on doing a boyfriend tag of any kind, and I feel like it's just like a lot of pressure. People are gonna judge, you know, his personality and our relationship just based off one video, and it's gonna be like 14 minutes cut down, and you can't summarize a relationship in an edited video. Like that just doesn't make sense. And I've been super open on IG stories. I feel like that's just like little snapshots of what we're doing and like when we travel and stuff. But I feel like putting a video out there that's like boyfriend tag, how well does he know me? Is he funny? Is he charming? Is he outgoing? The answer is yes to all those things, but I don't want the world to be able to take like that 14-minute edited video and be like, no, 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 no. The way he looked at you like this was not okay, da da da. I wish he'd done this. He doesn't know you, he doesn't love you, blah, blah. Like I just it's so much stress and it's so much pressure, and I just, you know, from day one decided I don't want to do that again. This was actually such an interesting question. Who do you think is your closest competitor in terms of being an influencer? honestly, if you are thinking of your life and your job in terms of who your competitors are, you are going to be so unhappy. Obviously, it can be very difficult to never compare yourself to your peers, but to be like, oh, this is my closest competitor. Did their video do better than mine? Are they getting more subscribers than me? And I encourage you to have a healthy mindset around the people that are around you. Support your peers. I just got really cheesy for a second. Just like, support your peers and just love everybody, please. Tea about living in LA. I'm trying to think of things that I would have found interesting when I still lived in Toronto and didn't know anything about LA. Everyone is late to everything. Like literally just expect people to be 30 minutes late to everything. I'm a very punctual person, and the pace of LA sometimes drives me insane. I need to put my phone down so I can have two hands to be like insane. No one knows how to drive in the rain. It's insane. Like if one drop of water falls from the sky, people just like, they don't know what to do. They panic and they don't know what to do and no one can drive. There's usually a ton of drama in LA, even though in numbers is a massive city, it actually feels really, really small when you start seeing how people are connected. It's really interesting because sometimes all those stories or rumors, whatever, on tea spills or teacups or I don't know. Like the drama channels, sometimes that stuff is real. And I feel like people in the industry or whatever kind of hear the actual story, and then when you see it in like the YouTube drama version, you're like, oh, wasn't that far off. We're not here to expose anyone, but that's the tea. How did you meet your boyfriend? I feel like I've been asked this a lot and I just like have never gotten around to answering it. So we actually worked together when I put out the song DIY Queen like 4 years ago. He was basically my link at a music company to get it on Spotify and iTunes. Also the like music techie stuff, but he was in another relationship. I was obviously in a relationship, and then we actually crossed paths on social media later on once I was single. And I feel like when I started getting back out into the dating game, I definitely was more inclined to going on a date with someone who I knew wasn't gonna like kill me or something. So knowing that we had a bunch of mutual friends, I feel like my first few dates, and then Jeremy, obviously my last dates, were all people that I knew. Oh my gosh, this question is really deep. Okay, do you think your family-friendly brand is hindering your personal growth? Dang girl, wow, my brain is like, wow, I feel like I should have like thought about this question beforehand. Okay, so short answer is no. I feel like who I am on camera versus who I am in real life are basically the same person. I definitely might curse more in real life because I'm like 26 and you know, like, I don't know. But I do feel like there is a responsibility to every creator to know your audience, and I just choose to not swear or always bleep it out because I do know that I have a younger audience. It's actually really interesting because when you look on the analytics of like all the back end stuff of Instagram and YouTube, the main age of Pretty Little Lord is actually 18 to 24. So obviously I could transition to like cursing and making more like sexual jokes or whatever, but I feel like there is that responsibility of knowing that I do have younger fans, and I'm okay with it. I mean, the base of all my videos is DIYing and having fun and just like bringing you guys along with my life on the adventures and the travels and the days sitting at home in an Adeline Morin hoodie. And I feel like I'm just like not missing out on not cursing or being more rated R, I guess. I feel like I am who I am. I put it out on YouTube and Instagram and all the social medias or whatever, and we all just like connect as DIY babes and the Pretty Little Lore fam, and it doesn't really matter how old you are. So I feel like it's more of a connection just through like personality and being fun and loving creativity and like moose. Honestly, like if you're down with my dog, I'm down with you. Okay, so hopefully that was the juicy answers that you were hoping for. It's totally not. I just like don't have any drama in my life. I wish I did for you guys, but I don't. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'm so excited for you guys to see the video that I filmed with Mia today. That'll be going up not this Sunday, but Sunday after. And this Sunday's video is really good too. The LAUR days are officially starting, so get excited for that. I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sunday DIY again, and Wednesday for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.
She's a DIY